Hi everyone, I'm here at Hanasaari, which is in Espoo, which is just over the Helsinki border, and we have got a really cool drone trials today. There's an EU project called GOF2, which is from the Cesar, and they are flying a drone from this island over here, somewhere over there, and they're flying it to Estonia, which is over there. So it's going to take some time. So it's a BVLOS flight. At the same time, there's going to be a plane taking off from Estonia. Mikko Sinerva's flying that plane. It's a seaplane, and he'll be flying from Estonia, and they'll be sharing the same airspace. So the drone will be flying above him. I think he'll be flying at 300 meters. The drone will be flying at 1,000 meters, if I understood that right. There's also simulated traffic going on as well. We're going to monitor this today. I'm going to film this, so I hope you enjoy this. This is going to be very cool. I'm not taking part, I'm only just observing. I was involved in the last GOF project, which was really, really cool as well, and we'd done a historic flight there, which was great. So let's see what we come up with today, and the weather looks really good as well, so let's see.
So today in this location we have some high trees around, and the VTOL takeoff will be transitioning from multi-rotor to fixed wing at about 45 meters to give me some safety. And after 45 meters of transitioning to VTOL to fixed wing, it will continue as a fixed wing aircraft, turn around here because we need to take off into the wind always, and do a small circle here and head to Tallinn towards its home.
So I guess that you don't change the altitude along the route, am I correct?
Yes, you are correct. We are following the flight altitudes of the Excel sheet.
Good, that's with the flight altitudes and the flight sectors. The restriction and danger areas in Estonia will be activated. I will call the super to activate them, and I will soon also call the AMC here in Finland and activate them in about 10-15 minutes. So then we should be good to go, and I will confirm back on this channel when everything is active and operational.
So we're just about to launch the drone. So it's a few minutes. We have a team of people from all over ready, and we're arming the drone and we're ready to go.
Oscar Hotel Mike India Lima unreadable. Six minutes to Hanasaari. Off to one. They will land out there, so 6 minutes. the main purpose of the demonstration is to demonstrate how manned and unmanned aircraft can share the same airspace in a dynamic manner. What we have at the moment is our flights between Helsinki in the north to Tallinn here in the east. We have currently in the air one real drone that's now started off here maybe less than 10 minutes ago and is flying towards Tallinn and will land in the Tallinn end. It's supposed to stay inside of the operation plan that we have now filed, and if you look closely you will see a green corridor here. That is the corridor for Treod to stay within. Next to it we have a simulated drone who is moving next to it to add some complexity to the scenario deconfliction. So now we have actually vertical deconfliction. One is flying at maybe 100 meter altitude and Treod at the moment is flying at what,
5, almost 600 km. So
almost 600 meters. So we have vertical separation. In 25 minutes of manned float plane will take off to simulate an air taxi from Tallinn and fly on the same trajectory in the same airspace as the drone, but we will actually have more than 1 kilometer separation vertically between the manned aircraft and the drone. We'll try to catch the manned float plane with the camera feed from the drone. There will be also, if I switch them on here, I will be able to see other manned aircraft in the airspace. We will see our drones. We see in Finland also at the moment ADS-B targets because we have an ADS-B receiver here in the Helsinki end. We see real-life drone flight operation plans that other people have filed. It's this Stephen Sutton here, for instance. I don't know who that guy is, but he usually dresses in yellow. Maybe that flies better, and I think it does. So this provides a good situational awareness.
I assume that it might have been in the
Above the
clouds.
clouds.
Yeah,
Yes,
or
we saw
in the clouds.
Above the clouds. Yeah,
Okay, so I wasn't able to see it,
Yeah.
but I wasn't able to see it either in my navigation app.
Okay. Yeah, it wasn't showing at all. It wasn't showing in flight radar. And,
Yeah, neither
and
one. Yeah.
Okay.
It was at first, and then it was towards the end,
Yeah, yeah,
and then you were showing towards the end as well.
yeah, yeah. Because it's still on ADS-B. Yeah. I have a ADS-B in and out, but I don't know how does it take the signal when you are in the middle of sea.
Yeah.
So that's the problem, because when you come here, there are ground detection systems. So I don't know. But I was checking it all the time that I would like to see it on the on the map, but I didn't see anything. So a successful day with the drone landing in Estonia. We didn't get to see the drone landing. I'll try to get some footage from someone, but the plane landed here and it was in the same airspace as the drone. And I think as Mikko said, that he didn't actually see the drone, but everything was successful. It was a good flight, plane, drone in the same airspace and passing each other, heading to different countries. So yeah, good for today. So thanks everyone, and we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.
Kõrgus 35 meetrit. Ja 34 meetrit, hoiab kõrgus. 32 meetrit.